11 foods that help fight anxiety. 1. Fish. Fish is great for keeping your pressure stable. It contains omega-3, which is in charge of reducing cardiovascular diseases and regulating blood sugar levels. It is important that you eat fish at least once a week because, as it is a source of magnesium, it stimulates relaxation and reduces stress and anxiety. 2. Dairy products. Dairy products contain tryptophan, an amino acid that is great for its ability to cause good moods and relaxation. Other foods like peanuts and bananas also contain it. 3. Almonds. Just like fish, almonds contain a high magnesium content, as well as other proteins and vitamins that help your body to function well. When you feel stressed, eat a little bit, about a handful. 4. Bananas. Bananas are the main source of potassium, which helps guarantee the strengthening of the nervous system by controlling anxiety and stress disorders. 5. Seaweed. Seaweed contains high levels of magnesium and tryptophan, which causes the feeling of tranquility and peace. 6. Chocolate. Look for dark chocolate. This is great for calming anxiety and reducing cortisol, the hormone that produces stress. 7. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is recommended for the reduction of anxiety because it boosts the production of hormones that work as antidepressants in the body. It also has high levels of complex, magnesium, and of course, fiber. 8. Orange leaves. Orange leaves work as sedatives and sleeping pills. Make an infusion every night before bed because it will help you have good sleeping habits, and will help reduce anxiety and stress. 9. Nuts. Nuts are very helpful to fight anxiety because they have vitamin B. This participates in the formation of serotonin, which has a very important role as a neurotransmitter. It especially prevents anger, controls body temperature, and keeps appetite stable. 10. Peaches. Peaches have fiber, vitamins, and minerals that help control anxiety and stress. Every time you become anxious, eat a few peaches, 2 or 3, to cause you to feel satisfied. If you have cravings for sweets, don't hesitate to buy a few peaches. 11. Tips for everyday life. Avoid coffee as much as possible. It is better to drink fruit infusions or aromatic water. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.